Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, prioritize safety by finding a safe, level spot away from moving vehicles. Always engage your parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert others. Before you begin, locate your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench. Having these essential tools ready makes the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, with your tools ready, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug, nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn while the tire is still on the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning. Next, carefully place the jack under the designated jacking point on your vehicle's frame. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. Once the vehicle is lifted, you can fully remove the lug nuts and then carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on your vehicle. Gently push the spare onto the studs. Replace the lug nuts, hand tightening them as much as possible to secure the spare in place before lowering the vehicle. Finally, slowly lower your Jeep Grand Cherokee until the spare tire is firmly on the ground and the vehicle's weight is fully supported. Remove the jack. Use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. It is crucial to check the spare tire's air pressure as soon as possible and have your flat tire repaired or replaced by a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.